Hello, Lomita. It's June already, halfway through the year. Are you halfway through your goals for the year? Well, if any of those goals include real estate, I hope this information helps you reach them and make the best decisions for you and your family. Real estate market's always changing, sometimes daily. Let's first look at the current numbers and then we'll look at where things are going that might be able to help you take advantage of it. So stick around. The median sale price here in Lomita is $840,000, which is down 1.45% over the last month. It's down 0.18% over the last quarter. It's down 7.38% over the last 12 months, which, as you probably know, was the peak of the market here around Lomita. It is still up 4.53% over the last 2 years and up a pretty good 19.44% over the last 36 months. But don't panic, homeowners, you're not losing any money. If we look at this chart, we can see that home values are on an upward trend, which is what we are seeing out in the field also. If you want to know the difference between median sale price and median home values, check out this video. I think it'll be linked up here on YouTube or down in the comments or bio link on other platforms. In comparison, the median sale price in Los Angeles is only $808,000. In California, it's $736,000, and for the entire country, it's only $342,000. If you want to find out what your home's worth right now, reach out to me or type free report in the comments below, and I'll send you out one. Hello everyone, Steve Huhta here from HousesInSouthBay.com, bringing you the Lomita Real Estate Market Report for June 2023. Now, please remember to do all that online stuff like commenting and sharing and liking and subscribing. It really helps me with the algorithm. But most important, contact me if you have a real estate question. I'm here to help you. Now, we know that home prices going up and down is a factor of supply and demand. On the supply side, in May, we had 14 active listings, which we can see is rather low. We had 12 new listings come on the market in the month of May, which is also low, but we are seeing that climbing. Now, from the demand side, we see high demand indicated by showings. These are people out looking to buy a home. Yes, it's lower than during the pandemic. Oh wait, we're not calling it that anymore. We're calling it the unicorn years because the market was really outside anything that's normal. But we can see the demand is higher than what we consider normal back before the pandemic and through 2017. We had 5 homes sell, and we had another 16 homes go under contract. Those 5 that sold range from this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,471 square foot condo that sold for $645,000 to this 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 1,232 square foot home, but on a huge 18,370 square foot lot that sold for $1,524,999. Of those 5 homes that sold, 4 of them went above asking price and 1 went below asking price. Correctly priced homes are selling rather quickly and many are getting multiple offers. In fact, average days on market is at 50 days, but that's kind of skewed by some of the properties that sat for a very long time, because half of those homes sold in less than 14 days. But the best way to look at how the supply and demand balance out is called inventory months of supply. And with only 1.6 months of supply right now, which means if no new homes came on the market, we'd sell out homes in about 6 weeks. So with increased demand and still limited supply, we believe prices will remain stable and even keep still going up in most areas. I mentioned at the beginning what these numbers may mean for you. For sellers, demand for correctly priced homes is still high. And when I say correctly priced, I don't mean discounted. Use the data for your neighborhood and position your home to attract the most amount of buyers to have them compete against each other. Pricing your home correctly will get maximum buyer competition. Also remember that in this market, preparing your home a little bit for sale makes a big difference in the sale price and how much money you put in your pocket at the end of closing. That can range from simple decluttering to doing some deferred maintenance, simple repairs, or even some renovations. We're also seeing staging making a big impact on sale prices lately. So talk to your realtor about what might be right for your home. Now, talking about realtors, you need an active and aggressive agent to market your property at the most potential buyers out there, and one that keeps up on market trends and data, kind of like these videos. If you're looking to maximize the value of your home, reach out so we can put together a plan that's right for you. And for you buyers, it's actually a pretty good time. Buyer demand and competition is rising, but prices haven't jumped up yet to reflect that demand, and you can take advantage of that. We believe prices will continue to rise in the long run, so it's probably a good time to buy before they go up any further. If you have concerns over uncertain interest rates, give me a call and let's go talk with the lender about all your options available. In fact, most lenders I'm working with have programs to lower your interest in the first 2 years, and then we'll refinance your loan for free for several years if rates go down. Just remember, do what's right for your family's budget and need. But also remember to look at that long-term benefit of owning instead of being at the mercy and uncertainty of renting. Rents will continue to rise as long as we have inflation and housing shortages. But when you buy, your monthly mortgage is locked in and will not change. So no matter the state of the economy, you still need a place to live and build memories with your loved ones. Would you rather be doing that while paying off your own home or paying off your landlord's home? Let's talk about your real estate goals for the year and send me your questions on buying, selling, or investing in residential real estate. Contact me so I can help. Bye for now.